Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. To celebrate its 55th anniversary, the Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE, has increased daily trading time to 5 hours from the normal 3.5 hours that investors could buy and sell. In addition to the longer buying and selling time, investors can get their funds out of the stock market in one day. Previously, investors had to wait as long as 3 days to have their money hit their brokerage account. Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, JSE Managing Director, has shared that the change to the longer trading hours and the shorter settlement time will allow more opportunities for profit in the stock market. The small business industry employs between 60 and 70% of workers, accounting for over 90% of private sector employment. The minister with responsibility for information, skills, and digital transformation, Dr. Dana Morris Dixon, noted that with over 422,000 MSMEs operating in Jamaica, the entities are the backbone of the economy. During trading for the period of May 28, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 8,305,723 units amounted to 28.84% of the market volume in terms of sales. Microfinance lender Dollar Financial Services Limited with 3,112,053 units amounted to 10.81% of the market volume in terms of sales. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,911,932 units amounted to 10.11% of the market volume in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 28, 2024, registered a volume of 149,149 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at 1,486,314 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 77 cents. National Enterprises Limited was the volume leader with 63,112 shares, changing hands for a value of 230,358 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 80 cents, followed by Trinidad and Tobago NGL Limited with a volume of 27,941 shares, being traded for 209,910 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 50 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 28, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $47.5 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $69 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.59 and bought the US dollar for $154.71. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $2.37, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 96 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.44 and bought for $114.48. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $1.71, selling it for $198.76 and buying it for $197.05. For the credit report tip of the day, we want to help you negotiate better rates. With a strong credit report, you have the power to negotiate better terms on mortgages, car loans, and credit cards. Lower interest rates means you pay less over time, freeing up funds to invest in other wealth-building opportunities. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.